Most of us are dealing with some form of tension in our shoulders. Follow along for the next 5 minutes and release that tension. Make sure to breathe steady and just gently flow. Let your breath guide you through each movement, starting with shoulder rotations. Left arm rolls in one direction, right arm rolls in the opposite direction. So it's just this undulating movement, left arm one direction, right arm the other. Steady breaths. Coming down onto the tops of our hands, just pressing gently into the heel of your hand. Not too much here, because these ligaments and these tendons are quite sensitive, so we can overstretch here and definitely strain our wrists. And then we're going to move from here over onto the tops of our hands. This can get pretty intense, so make sure to just gently press into the top of your hands. Steady breaths. Not too much, just enough. Good. Coming forward into cat and cow. Rounding through our spine, belly button draws in towards our spine. Inhale. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, head comes up just enough. Try not to crank your head back here. Exhale, round. Inhale and exhale. Good. Coming in to thread the needle, lowering onto our left forearm, drawing our right arm underneath our left armpit, gazes to the left, reaching out through the crown of your head and out through your tailbone, creating as much space as you can here in your torso body so that your breath expands in all directions. Changing directions now, coming onto our right forearm, left fingers draw out underneath our right armpit. Inhale, exhale. From here on your next inhale, coming all the way back up, sitting back onto our heels. If you need a prop here between your bum and your shins, go ahead and do that. Crisscross your fingers, shoulders draw back, take a deep inhale, and then on your exhale, folding forward. Some people like to call this rabbit pose. Try not to let your shoulders drop down towards your ears, creating as much space, activating your neck just a little bit so that the pressure isn't dropping into your cervical spine. You don't want all that pressure landing on your neck. Coming all the way back up one more time. Good. Coming into child's pose. A true child's pose does come with knees all the way together, but not everybody's able to do this, and you can also extend your hands out in front of you for a child's pose variation. From here, we're going to start to take our arms and extend our arms towards the front of our mat into puppy pose. Good. Reaching out through our fingertips, reaching out through our sits bones, creating space. Draw your shoulders gently away from one another, and then over we go to the left side. Puppy pose variation. Good, steady breaths. And heading over to the other side, extending out through our right fingertips, through our left fingertips, creating as much space as you possibly can, but not too much, because we still want to be able to maintain that space in our torso so that we can take nice, steady breaths, okay? Coming back to neutral, we're going to come right back into another cat and cow. Inhale, head rises. Exhale. Belly button draws in. Coming back into downward facing dog. Just for a moment here. Nothing perfect. We're just getting a little bit of our blood flow to our head. It's a nice relaxing pose. And then down into Malasana, squat pose. And just start to notice the difference between how you feel now and when you started. Perhaps leave a comment in the comments section, just one word, feel, or 2 words maybe, feel great or relaxed. Have a great day. Namaste.